What's up, my beautiful people? I'm Erick Santana. Some of you know me as a pond pirate. We're here today at Fairchild Botanical Gardens. This is a real special pond for us. This is the Victoria Pond. It's got some massive water lilies, and we've done a lot of work on this one. I want you guys to check this out. This pond was built especially for the Victoria water lilies. The Victoria water lily is probably the largest water lily in the world. It's from the Amazon, down in Peru. It was in dire need of help. It had 20 years of buildup inside of it. You know, it was just too much for the volunteers, so we took everything out. We put in a plumbing system to better facilitate the clean outs, and we built some new badass waterfalls. My favorite part about this pond is the Victorias, the water lilies, the wildlife, the birds, everything it attracts. The setting in the garden, you know, the way it looks real, it looks natural. It's, you know, there's a lot of things I love about this pond. Hey guys, I'm Erick Santana. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to drop a comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.